Hi, in this video, I want to discuss leave closing. So first, why do you need to do leave closing? So the first reason is that to forward cumulative leave on the next period. So that means whatever is remaining credit on the previous period, it will be forwarded to the next period. And then another thing is to encash remaining leave credits. So you can only do the encashment if you do the leave closing. Okay. First, let us do the first one, to forward the cumulative leave. So if we go to our settings and then leave type, so let's say for vacation leave, so vacation leave is with pay and then it is not cumulative. But then we have maximum days that can be in cash. So whatever is the remaining credit, as long as it doesn't exceed 24, it will be in cash. Okay, so we are producing here the encashment. Okay, so if we to close the leave, all you have to do is to go to settings and then leave credit, and then here you say leave closing. Okay, so as I've mentioned, the last leave closing that we have done is was on December 31, 2019. So therefore here I will put the cutoff date as December 31, 2020. But maybe later on in our future improvements, this will be automatic 1 year after the last leave closing. Okay, anyway, and then here there is the payroll date. So the payroll date is actually the date that is covered when you want to make a payroll for the in-cash leave. So if you want to incast it, let's say on January 15 next year, so you put here January 15. So that means when you make the payroll as let's say from January 1 to January 15, this will be covered. Okay, just make sure that when you enter the date here, it will be covered on the start date and end date of the payroll. Okay, so in our case it is January 15, that will be next month. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so once you submit, closing was done successfully. Okay, as expected. So if you will now go to our leave credit here, and I will refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have credit days here. Okay, that's because it is not cumulative. It is not forwarded to next year. Okay, which is 2020 12/31. Okay, so but here you'll see that there is days in cash. So actually this is the remaining balance that were not used, and then they are in cash here. Okay, and then the date of the payroll is January 15, 2021. Okay, so later I will show you how to make a payroll for these days in cash. Okay, so now what if there is no encashment? What if you just want to forward the balance? Okay, so if that is the case, what we will do is we go to the settings, let's say on the leave type here. So we have on the vacation leave, we say that it is cumulative and then nothing to be in cash. Okay, we put it as 0. Okay, So the same thing we will do with the sick leave here. So we say that it is cumulative, and then incas is 0, and then save. Okay, so let me just log in again just to refresh everything. So if we now go to the settings and then leave credit, and then I say operation leave closing, that will be yeah, December 31, 2020. Now here the payroll date, actually it doesn't matter what date you put here, since we don't expect any leave encashment, so we can just leave it as it is. Okay, so when we now submit it, so leave closing was successfully done. If we refresh our leave closing, as you can see, there is no days in cash, and then the payroll date is blank. So everything was forwarded to next year, whatever is the balance from the unused leave. So instead of encashment, it will be forwarded to next year. So that means this year you have already 6 for Kim-Yun. And then of course every month again it will earn. So for January it will become 6.5, for February it will become 7, and so on. Okay, so yeah, that's how easy it is to do leave closing in HR Tech. So if you have any question, just put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.